Hey everyone, so I'm actually just washing the wheels and tires. I actually just foamed it with, I have Adam's car shampoo and that foam gun. I had the iron mover soaking on there. And so I wanted to show you the ease of cleaning for the new Chemical Guys product that I have in here. So I'm gonna just go ahead and go through the entire wash process here of the wheels and tires. I have the new Detail Factory brush that I'm testing out right now. And it's a soft brush, and so I will just take the brush and just lightly scrub the surface. This is not as stiff as the brush, the Tough Shine tire brush, which I have in here as well. The bristles are different. So let me grab this because I want to just knock this out. So I'm just going to go ahead and go through the entire wheel cleaning process here, and I'm just using car shampoo. These wheels are coated. I just decided to do a iron remover. There's no iron on these things, and so then I'll just take my wheel mitt here and just go over the surface. And the reason I'm doing this is because I only have one hand at the moment, because I'm shooting this with the iPhone while I'm charging the batteries for the GoPro. So this will have to do for this update here. So I'll just take my mitt and go around the wheel well here just to kind of scrub that. And this is the last wheel. I'll take the lug nut brush, get the lugs, get these corners, get here. Just real simple wash process. And so I'm going to show you the hydrophobic behavior of the Chemical Guys product. Okay, so you can see it beads on the rubber, and I'm going to show you what it looks like as I'm blasting the water on here. So you can see it water just flying off the surface. So this should make your cleaning much easier. Again, just get a soft brush, loosen up any dirt that's on the surface, superficial dirt, rinse it off, and your wheels and tires will be clean. So primarily we're talking about the tire coating, so it'll stay cleaner. We'll see how long it lasts, because tires go through some harsh conditions here. Again, these being in Southern California, UV is going to be the problem here, to see how long it takes to degrade this hydrophobic behavior. But it'll make things easier to dry, maintain. Once it starts to fade, I'll kind of just show. So at least for the first wash, this looks really impressive. So just kind of want to post a quick update on that. First wash, first week, so far so good. There's no change in the appearance, at least for now. I'll look at it in the morning, and we'll just keep going. We'll see how long this really lasts. So I'll probably post up an update probably at the month and see where we're at a month from now. So 3 more weeks. We'll see how it looks at a month, and if it's still on there in a month, then I think we've found something that could be a potential hidden gem in that lineup, and then we'll continue on to go like the second month. I'll just keep monitoring it until once it starts to degrade over time, maybe 6 weeks, 8 weeks, whatever it may be. So again, thanks for watching. I just want to give you a quick look of what the tire looks like after the first wash with the Chemical Guys product, and it's lost a little bit of its look here, just a bit, after the first wash. Again, with the light scrub of the brush. Let me get my shadow out of the way, but it's still there, and it looks like it just looks like a black finish, like an OEM looking tire. So it's not overly glossy. It kind of just settled in as a even look here. So I just want to give you an idea what it looks like after the first wash. Hopefully this helps with the Chemical Guys product. I'll go ahead and try it on trim as well. That's next. But so far it looks good. It's hydrophobic. We'll see how long it lasts. If it only lasts a month, I don't know if you guys want to spend the money on this, because there's other products that can get you a month. But if it goes like maybe 2 months, you know, that's a good possibility of maybe picking this up and then just, you know, topping it off every so often. So we'll see how long it lasts. I don't know if I'm going to do a 2-week update, or, you know, I'll probably just wait for like the 3rd or 4th week to kind of just do. I might just wait for the monthly update and see how it looks. All right, so again, thanks for watching.